Can you imagine earning $20,000 every month using a new TikTok account? In this video, I'll walk you through setting up your TikTok shop from scratch and share my exact strategies that took me from zero to thousands of dollars in the first 3 months. You'll learn the tools you need, the steps to start earning immediately, and how to scale your income month by month. I've put a lot of effort into perfecting these methods, and I'm excited to share them with you so you can achieve similar success. Let's dive in. Getting started. First, get the necessary tools ready. You'll need your email and some identifications like a passport or driver's license. Search for TikTok Shop Seller Center and sign up using an email you're okay with being flooded by sellers. After signing up, you'll receive a verification code. Enter it and set your password. Create your account as an individual, verify your identity, and input your personal information, including your social security number. Choose a shop name and a primary product category. For quick approval, pick something like fashion items. After setting up your shop, link your TikTok account by scanning your QR code and authorizing the connection. Now, your TikTok account is linked to your seller account, giving you affiliate capabilities. Refresh, sign out, and back in, and you'll see the shop icon on your profile indicating your TikTok shop is ready to go. Month number 1. You'll need a few skills and software tools to get started. One essential tool is Koala Data, which helps identify trending products and top-performing videos on TikTok Shop. Now, imagine this. You're at home, starting from scratch with 0 followers and no products in hand. And here's how you can transform that into a money-making venture. For the first month, you need to begin by combing through your house for products. Once you have a list, search for those items on the product marketplace, often finding them on both Amazon and TikTok Shop. Each product you find on TikTok Shop is added to your showcase. Next, research high-performing videos for these products. By examining some videos, you aim to recreate their success in your own style. Save the best ones for inspiration, ensuring your videos remain original. Mimic their approach. If they are energetic and engaging, make sure to reflect that in your own way. In that first month, you should be able to post at least 10 videos and earn around $200. And by the end of the month, you should be able to sell up to 30 items. If 2 of your videos go semi-viral with 20,000 views, here's my additional tip. Don't waste time on scoring your house for products. Instead, sign up for Koala Data. This tool offers a free month and highlights the top-performing products and videos weekly. Focus your efforts on these trending items rather than spreading yourself thin across multiple products. Creating videos for one popular product rather than many different ones is more efficient. Consider the success stories, like the person who earned $100,000 in their first month by selling a single product. This strategy can significantly boost your chances of success. If you don't have the physical products, use a green screen or overlay in your videos. Alternatively, you can reach out to sellers for free samples to feature in your content. While this approach might have a lower success rate if your account is new, it's worth a try. Finally, consistency is key. Aim to post a video every day from Monday to Friday. If you can manage more, great, but consistency will drive your success and taking breaks can significantly hinder your progress. Month number 2. You need to harness the power of the right tools and strategies to see significant growth. In your second month, you should be earning around $200 to $1,000 with just a few key changes. You should have around 250 plus followers and post fewer videos. Yes, fewer videos, but better quality. Here's what changes. Initially, you pick random products, but Koala Data helps you identify trending items. The shift to promoting viral products boosts your video performance. Additionally, you reach out to sellers to negotiate higher commissions. This way, even with fewer videos, the increased commission ensures higher earnings as long as the videos perform well. Another crucial step is ensuring the products you promote have substantial stock. You want to avoid items with less than 2,000 units available, focusing instead on those with above 10,000 units. This strategy means that if your video goes viral, you can continue earning throughout the month without running out of stock. For example, you sell 200 neck pillows, earning $6 commission per piece. You don't even own the product, you create videos showing it on Amazon and direct viewers to TikTok Shop for better prices. You also sell 20 pouches, each bringing in a good commission. Some videos are faceless, showing only your hands and computer screen, while you respond to comments using overlays and green screens to avoid violations. If you haven't been consistent in your first month, go back and solidify those basics. Once you're in the second month, aim for 2 or 3 videos a day. Keep up with your research. What you call Koala Data each week to pick the best items. Reach out to sellers early, requesting higher commissions for trending products. They're likely to agree since it costs them nothing extra. These changes make a massive difference in your second month, taking your earnings from $200 to $1,000 with fewer videos. Stick to these strategies and you'll see significant improvements too. Month number 3. The first month you gain a few followers, and by the third month, your following should have exploded from a few hundred to a few thousands. Sounds impossible, right? Let me break down how it can be done. You should start with Koala Metrics. This tool will help you identify high-performing products. Initially, you can learn about creators who earned $100,000 in commissions by promoting just one product. Inspired and focused on similar approach, some people had posted more than 20 videos, all centered on just one or two products. Why? Because these products consistently went viral every week according to Koala Metrics. That's why you shouldn't waste time promoting a variety of products. Focus on what worked. Here's the key. Once a video begins to gain traction, you can create similar content around the same product. For example, if your video using a certain toothbrush went viral, you have to make another video using the same toothbrush but with a slight variation, like filming in a different location or changing the text on the screen. Simplicity and consistency will always be the best strategy. When a product sold out or the buzz died down, I switched to the next product and repeated the process. And out of the videos you posted, several should have gone viral. The focus wasn't on creating a lot of diverse content, but on refining and duplicating what was already successful. Don't negotiate for higher commissions. Just simply stick to promoting the products that were already performing well. This method will profit you more than $20,000 by the end of the third month. Again, when selecting products, look for those with high stock levels and good commissions. For example, the toothbrush I mentioned had about 20,000 units in stock, and each sale will give you $30. Similarly, the neck pillow had a solid stock and a $6 commission per unit. It's crucial to ensure the products you choose to promote can meet the demand you generate. In my time doing affiliate marketing, one challenge I faced was dealing with violations from older content. TikTok flagged some of my videos for issues like trademark infringement. These were videos posted months before, but the platform only recently flagged them. To mitigate this, I reviewed and deleted any potential problematic content from my account. Remember, violations typically last 90 days. So it's a temporary setback. Now, for those in their third month of this journey, I highly recommend using a data tool like Koala Metrics and focusing on consistency. Choose products with ample stock and make multiple videos about the same product. This builds familiarity and trust with your audience. If you're using a personal account, consider the balance between promotional content and your regular posts. For a dedicated selling account, you can afford to post about the same product repeatedly. An important tip: when a video starts to gain momentum, act quickly. Post follow-up content immediately, even if you're not in the ideal location. Speed is crucial, capitalizing on viral trends. All of these are useless if you want to create your own e-commerce brand. And if you want to learn how to start your own brand, then you might want to check out some of our videos. See ya!